Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys app lock disable setting. How to disable app lock, how to turn off app lock in Tecno mobile, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile you don't want to use app lock setting, so friends open your phone security setting. After on phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile you can use find my device settings, security update you can check. Friends, you can start fingerprint lock, you can set face lock, you can use screen lock setting. Friends, click here app lock setting. After an app lock setting guys, draw your app lock pattern, and you don't know your app lock pattern, you can forget your password if you know your security question. So friends, we will draw app lock pattern. After draw app lock pattern friends, you want to lock and you want to unlock any app. So friends, you can lock and you can unlock app from here. And friends, you don't want to use app lock permanently, you want to remove, so friends right click here. And friends, you can off your app lock pattern visible setting, you can change password, you can set security question. Click here app lock setting, turn off app lock. After turn off app lock guys, all app will unlock. Click here, and friends you can check all app is unlocked. Play Store, Photos app friends, you can check any app in your device, all app is unlocked. So like that friends, we can remove app lock, we can disable app lock in Tecno mobile. And friends, again you want to use app lock setting, open your phone setting, app lock setting, draw new pattern friends, enter security question, and remember your security question, very important. Again you can start app lock and you can lock app, you can unlock apps. And you don't want to use app lock setting friends, right click here, app lock will turn off. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to remove app lock in Tecno mobile. Bye.